Hi, my name is Roxanne. I live in Tennessee, and I was introduced to LadyBoss last May in 2017 by a friend, and it has been a life changer. It is the most amazing program I have ever been involved in. I joined as a lifetime member. I didn't even bother with the monthly because what's the sense? You're just wasting your money. And when I seen all the information that is on the trainer, I thought, I don't ever want to be without this. If I do monthly and then something happens and I'm just going to go for it. And so I have always struggled with my weight all my life. At the heaviest I've been was 240 pounds. And since I've been a lady boss, I have lost 19 pounds, and I've gone from a size 14 to an 8, and shirt size an extra large to a medium. And I joined before LadyBoss come out with their labs and their products, and ever since I've been taking the labs, I've had more results because I was stuck. I was at a plateau, and when I started drinking the lean shakes and taking the BCAAs and the burn, oh my gosh, the burn, oh my goodness, definitely game changer. And so I highly, 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 highly recommend all the products. I'm not one to get stuff regular. I'll do, drink this tea or this pre-workout for a little while, and then I got to change it up and get something different because I get bored with it. Well, I have done labs ever since they came out, and I can't wait for my shipment to come. I actually cry when I run out of my lean because I put it in everything. And I beat everything. So, I literally eat, breathe, and sleep LadyBoss. This program has changed my life. I am 50 years old. I have 2 grown children. I have 3 grandchildren. And I am the strongest and the healthiest I have ever been in my entire life. I am doing things that when I was a teenager never thought I could do. I work out as much as I can. I eat healthy all the time. The trainer has so much information. Everything you need to live a healthy lifestyle is right there at your fingertips. There's no program out there that is as good as this. Your menus, if you're having issues with what to eat, not to eat, oh my gosh, the menu is amazing. The food, the amount of food. People think, oh, I'm on a diet, I can't eat, I'm starving. No, it's not like that. You just got to make the right choices. And you don't know what the choices are, it doesn't matter. It's right there in the trainer. You can pick something from the recipes, or you can follow the menu. It is amazing. The workouts that are on the trainer. A lot of people are like, well, I don't want to go in the gym. There's all those buff guys, and I'm very intimidated. No. Kaelin took care of all that. She put a video for every exercise. She tells you how to use the machine, how to set the machine up, how to do the exercise. There's a video for every single exercise. It is amazing. I have never been involved in any kind of program that has done this. The home workouts, again, there's a video for every exercise. You can't go wrong. Personal trainer. Why do you need a personal trainer? You have a personal trainer at your fingertips. And then on top of that, you've got a LadyBoss Facebook page that I can't even talk about because I'll start crying, because those women are amazing. If you are struggling, oh dear Lord, somebody else is struggling too. And the advice that you get is 24/7. There's no reason you will not succeed with this program. You get the program and you work it, and there's not going to be an issue. I'm telling you, it is amazing. I've lost 19 pounds. And I feel like I've lost a whole person, because I've got my confidence back. I'm healthy. I'm making the right choices. It's just amazing. I cannot tell you enough about that program. I talk about it all the time. Anybody asks me, what are you doing? LadyBoss. LadyBoss. Check it out. I'm telling you what, when I first started, and my friend told me about this program, I started looking up Kaelin on Facebook and watching her videos. She's contagious. I love it. Oh my gosh. Her energy, her, period. She's crazy, and I love crazy. I feed off crazy. And so it's just an amazing program. I highly recommend, if you ever even thought about following a healthy lifestyle, try it, because LadyBoss is a game changer. It saved my life. Oh my gosh. I'm a type 2 diabetic, and 6 months ago, they cut my medicine in half. In half! It's amazing. Yes. Next time, I'm hoping they say, guess what? You don't need it. You don't need it. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. In fact, my doctor told me this last time. She says, you're an ideal patient. I wish everybody was like you. That made me feel good, because I've never been that way. I follow a program for so long, and that's it. I'm done. I get bored with it. I don't see results. It's not like that with LadyBoss. I'm telling you, if you are looking for something, don't look no farther. LadyBoss is the only way to go. You will not regret it. I do not regret it. I am so happy. And I have better days, no bad days. They're all good days. And I just, I absolutely love LadyBoss. Make sure you get it, because it's worth it.